Ivory-Billed Woodpecker. The ivory-billed woodpecker, Campephilus principalis, is a possibly extinct woodpecker that is native to the bottomland hardwood forests and temperate coniferous forests of the southern United States and Cuba. Habitat destruction and hunting have reduced populations so thoroughly that the species is listed by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, on its red list as critically endangered, and by the American Birding Association as definitely or probably extinct. Distribution geography. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are found in the southeastern United States and Cuba. They prefer thick hardwood swamps and pine forests, with large numbers of dead and decaying trees. Habits and lifestyle. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are diurnal birds, spending their nights in individual roost holes, which are often reused. The birds typically leave their roost holes around dawn, feeding and engaging in other activities in the early morning. They are generally inactive during the midday and resume feeding activities in the late afternoon before returning to the roosts around dusk. To hunt some prey items such as wood-boring grubs, ivory bills use their enormous bill to hammer, wedge, and peel the bark off dead trees to access their tunnels. These birds need about 25 square kilometers, 9.7 square miles, per pair to find enough food to feed their young and themselves. Diet and nutrition. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are omnivores. Their preferred food is beetle larvae, but they also eat fruit of the southern magnolia, pecans, acorns, hickory nuts, and poison ivy seeds. They have also been observed to feed on wild grapes, persimmons, and hackberries. Mating habits. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are monogamous and are thought to mate for life. Pairs are also known to travel together. They breed between January and May. Both parents work together to excavate a cavity in a tree about 15 to 70 feet, 4.6 to 21.3 m, from the ground before they have their young. Eggs are typically laid in April or May. The clutch consists of 3 to 6 glossy china white eggs. Parents incubate the eggs for 3 to 5 weeks. The male incubates overnight, and the two birds typically exchanging places every 2 hours during the day, with one foraging and one incubating. The chicks learn to fly about 7 to 8 weeks after hatching, and their parents continue feeding them for another 2 months. Population threats. Heavy logging activity exacerbated by hunting by collectors devastated the population of ivory-billed woodpeckers in the late 19th century. Population number. According to the IUCN Red List, the total ivory-billed woodpecker population size is fewer than 50 individuals and mature individuals. Currently, this species is classified as critically endangered (CR) on the IUCN Red List, and its numbers today are decreasing.